Welcome to Study Classes. Here we are going to just revise or learn chapter number 1 of Geography, ICSE board based representation of geographical features. Representation of geographical features. Now, first of all, we will study about map in this. Okay. What is a map? A map is a representation of any area of the earth or any part of the earth or whole earth on a flat surface. Now, types of maps. Map is also having three types. First type is political map. What is political map? Political map shows boundary of the country, boundary of the city, location of the towns and cities, and boundary of the states. Thematic map. Thematic map, it shows various things like weather conditions, type of soil or vegetations, distributions of minerals, and so on. Next and the last is political map. Physical map. Now, physical map shows natural features such as mountain, plain, river, plateaus, etc. and etc. Now, we'll study about the important features of the map. First one is scale. What is the scale? A map is drawn to the scale. This means that a particular length on a map shows a particular distance on the ground. For example, let us take the two places which is 100 kilometers apart. If we say that 1 centimeter, it refers to 50 kilometers. So 2 centimeter will refer to 100 kilometers. It means this relation of 1 centimeter representing 50 kilometers on the ground is the scale of map. If we took 200 kilometers, it will be 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, types of scales. There are two types of scale: large scale map and small scale map. This you will see on the next slide. Now, here, first of all, we will study how to measure the scale. So, scale is being measured in three types. By the statement like 1 centimeter on the ground refers to 100 kilometers on the 1 centimeter on the map refers to 100 kilometers on the ground. Or by the graduated straight line, which is known as linear scale, bar scale, and graphic scale. It's having three names: linear scale, bar scale, and graphic scale. Now, and the third point is by representative fraction, which is RF. That is the ratio between the map distance and the ground distance. We will study about RF later on. First of all, small scale map and the large scale map. So, a small scale map, consider a map in which 1 centimeter represents 1 kilometer, and other map in which 1 centimeter it refers to 100 kilometers. Now, it is obvious that first map will show greater details than second one. See, if 1 centimeter, like this much, it is equals to 1 kilometers, or this much distance is equals to 100 kilometers. So which will show much details? Now see, it is Morbi, it is Ahmedabad. Okay, suppose in Gujarat it's so the distance between them is 400 kilometers and at the ground. But on this slide I took the distance 1 to 4 centimeters. So it means 4 centimeters is equals to 400 kilometers. but we will always taking the scale by 1. 1 centimeter is equals to 100 kilometers if the scale is this much. Okay, so 1 centimeter 100, 1 centimeter 100, 100, 100. So if 1 centimeter, it shows 100 kilometers. Wait. If 1 centimeter, suppose it's 1 centimeter. Okay. It's 1 centimeter from here to here. It shows 100 kilometers. And the same distance, it shows 10 meters. Fine. It means this 1 centimeter is equals to 10 meter. This is showing more details and this is showing less details. Same here. Now we say that first map has a large scale, then the second one. Small scale maps like one generally found in Atlas. In Atlas there are small scale maps which shows large area of the earth, but they shows less details. And large scale map like tourist maps, have you seen on that shows a smaller area, it shows on the large size paper and it shows more features of a particular place. Okay, now let's come to topographic map. What is a topographic map? A large scale map. Now we studied the two scale maps. Large scale map, here on the slide you can see large scale map and small scale map. What is large scale map? It is a large scale map, means it shows more details, which shows both the natural and man-made features. It shows both the natural and man-made features. Second point is, it is drawn to the scale such as 1:50, 1,000, 1:250,000, like this it's drawn. Next, we studied that it is drawn to the scale is being measured in the three different types. First we done, second we done, and this is the third, RF. What is RF? RF refers to representative fraction. Fraction means the ratio between the map distance and the ground distance. Now see, suppose this is a map distance 1 centimeter and the ground distance is this much, 5,000 kilometers, and this will be in centimeters. So ratio between it will be 1:5000, means 5,000. Okay, so this is the ratio between the ground distance and the map distance. Come on, next slide. Next, and that is directions. Now there are 4 major directions: north, east, south and west. News, it refers to N for news, E for east, W for west and S for south. Is it clear? Come on, next slide. There are 4 more directions. First one is, direction between north and east is northeast. Direction between north and west is northwest. Direction between south and east is southeast. Direction between south and west is southwest. Is that clear? Now next, I think this is the last slide. So now there are 4 major distances. 4 major distances: north, south, east and west. Suppose this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Now this direction is north, this direction is south, this direction is west and this direction is east. What about this all distance? What about this all distance? What about this distance and what about this distance? So for finding out all the distances, we find a new way. So the direction, it is north, it is west. So direction between north and west will be northwest. It is west and it is south. Direction between south and west will be southwest. It is east and it is south. So direction between east and south will be southeast. It is east and it is north. So direction between north and east will be northeast. Okay. So is it clear? Now let's see. Here west and south it will be. So here east and south it will be southeast. Here south and west it will be southwest. Here east and north it will be northeast. Here last north and west it will be northwest. So these north, south, east, west, these are four major directions. Southeast, northeast, northwest and southwest. These are intermediate directions. So four major directions and intermediate directions. So this is for today. So we studied about, let's take a quick review. Representation of geographical features. Map. What is a map? A map is a representation of an area of a earth on a flat surface. Next, map is of three types: political, thematic, physical. Political map shows boundary of country, city and town. Thematic map shows weather conditions, soil, vegetation, etc. Physical map shows natural features. Next, scale of map. Type of scale of map: small scale and large scale. Small scale shows less details, large scale shows more details. Topographic map, it is a large scale map which shows both natural and man-made features. It is drawn to the scale such as 1:50,000 and 1:50,000. Next is RF, means representative fraction. So the representative fraction is the ratio between the map and the ground distance. Next is direction. Four major directions: north, east, south and west. News, which are referred north, east, west and south. Next is four more directions: northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. Now north, south, east, west, four more directions: southeast, southwest, northeast, northwest. So this is for today. So like, share and subscribe our channel. Meet you on next video. So a few more parts are left for this. So the parts which are left is grid, colors and conventional symbols. Eastings and northings also. So these we'll do in next video. Take care and bye.